And Malaika, so before I started the show, I was telling people how difficult it has become to travel now, right? चीजें कितनी महंगी हो गई हैं. People don't know where they can go. Situation politically is so bad. आपको पता नहीं होता visas मिलेंगे कि नहीं. So if I had to ask you, give us the top 3 picks of travel in these summers. What would you say?
Thailand, Bali, and Malaysia.
Ooh, okay.
Just another one, fourth, my top of the list, Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, I was about to say that.
Just because, look, I feel like a lot of the population in Pakistan has already visited Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore. Like, this is a really popular combo since the 2000s, to be very honest. And now, coming into more recent trends, we see that people are exploring in different locations, where Sri Lanka is one of them. I myself tell my parents, हमने Thailand के elephants देखे, India के elephants देखे, तो हमने अभी तक क्यों नहीं देखे Sri Lanka के elephants?
Of course.
Like, at the end of the day,
they're actually by far probably the best elephants over there.
Yes, and I'm like, it's on my bucket list, so I know all the itinerary by heart. But the tea plantation, the food, the cooking classes, the coconut curry, like, there's just too much to look forward to over there.
Absolutely, dude. I think Sri Lanka is, I mean, I really been wanting to go and see the tea plantations as well.
Let's go.
Achan, what's the scene with the visa? So
the visa is easy.
Okay.
It's a E or a sticker visa, but the processing time is around 10 days or less.
So yeah, that's not that bad. अगर लोग अभी apply करें तो they can probably
easily go for summer. I'm only gonna talk about those destinations where I know people can go in summer, because मैं Albania, Spain, France, Timbuktu के बारे में बात करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है, because लोग जा ही नहीं सकते.
नहीं जा सकते.
And then it's upsetting and it's upsetting.
Of course. But Malaika, speaking of that, and also the outfit that you're wearing, by the way, I think I forgot to tell you how beautiful it's looking. It's got such nice patterns on it. It's such an unusual color.
Thank you so much. It's
Who is
actually
it by?
one of my friends. Her name is Sana. Her brand's name is Shop Lulu Studios.
Ooh.
And it's honestly my summer attire, because I can wear it day to night, work. It's like,
I love it.
The best. The material's amazing.
It's called Shop Lulu Studios.
Yeah.
I'm going to check it out on Instagram.
Definitely do that.
Acha, so listen, Malaika, Saudi ka kya scene hai? There's an e-sport, video gaming thing happening over there,
Okay,
and
so
you
I'll
guys
give
are
you
partners.
a quick brief about Saudi, just because this is like my elevator pitch constantly that I do. So number one, Super Travels is a Saudi co-op partner, which means that the Saudi government has chosen us to promote Saudi tourism in Pakistan. This is because of the fact that they're moving towards their 2030 vision, which includes travel, tourism, education, entrepreneurship, women leadership, all of these things. So since this is something that they're working towards, they're building infrastructure, they're doing a lot of work within Saudi Arabia, they're changing the rules, visa ki asaniyan ho gayi hain, people with US, UK, Schengen visas can on arrival land in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, amazing.
Which is something that not a lot of people know.
Absolutely.
Another thing,
I didn't know that,
what they so Riyadh is super developed. Riyadh में बहुत चीजें होती हैं, summer भी होता है, winter भी होता है. Currently Riyadh में EWC World Cup चल रहा है, meaning Esports World Cup.
Okay.
I'm not a big player myself, but PUBG, LOL, Warzone,
Clash of Titans,
all of that type of stuff is happening. So the value addition point is the ticket is only 50 riyals.
Ooh,
like 50 riyals. Super Travels comps you for your whole trip, knowing if you want to go for this particular event. We are able to provide you with subsidized hotels, subsidized transport, subsidized airlines. We're partners with Flyadeal. We're partners with Riyadh Air. We have a lot.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
I love that.
So with Saudi,
I feel like I can go. I feel like I should get in touch with you. I'll take my son.
Take your son, take his friends. The more the merrier.
Video gaming, that'll be so cool.
There's a prize too. It's not just for free, of course. Nothing in this world is for free, but there's a prize.
Okay.
Not just for kids. In Riyadh, there's amazing shopping malls, by the way. You will enjoy yourself. All the branded items are there.
Nice.
The food is amazing. They have Nobu, Zuma. They have the most stunning fine dining experiences. In Jeddah, they have the Red Sea. They have water sports.
Okay, we're sold. We're sold this. We're done with this. So, we also have a lot of requests for you to tell us about Korea, Turkey, China and Tajikistan. So just take your flow and then...
So let's start with Korea. Korea is a very up-and-coming destination with specifically Gen Z, with the upcoming of K-pop, K-music, anime. There's a lot of kids who are wanting to go. The visa is relatively easy. People think, oh, Korea hai, language aisi hai, to kaise hoga, whatever. But honestly, it's a 2-day application. The requirements are not insane or anything.
Achha.
Not a lot of bank details. It's like, you know how in our minds we think US, UK. तो हम सोचते हैं इतनी ज़्यादा पैसे चाहिए होंगे, इतनी लंबी.
And Korea isn't even that expensive, right?
It's not as I'm not. Everything is expensive.
Everything is expensive.
But it's like comparatively a better location to go to than others, and it is popular with upcoming younger
people as well because you want experiences. What about Turkey?
Turkey तो जैसे चल रहा है वो चल रहा है, महंगा हो गया है, of course, but it's a safe destination. It's on arrival for US visa holders. It's developed so much. Now I tell people कि आप इस्तांबुल अंतालिया बोर्डरम के अलावा भी इज़मीर छोटी-छोटी जगहों देखो. They're reasonable. Airbnbs are beautiful to book. Hotels are available. There's boutique hotels. They're amazing to stay at. Their hospitality levels are even better than chain hotels. So look, the destinations are not changing. It's the way of exploration that's changing over time.
Absolutely.
And that's something I've seen between
different generations as well, millennials and Gen Z.
Rija, last year I had people coming to me saying, हमें बाली में ये करना है. अब वही लोग आके बोल रहे हैं, actually Malaika, why don't we sit down with you for an hour? You give us your brain and we'll give you ours. We're kind of coming back to the level of personalization rather than AI. वो अपना ChatGPT निकाल के आते हैं.
अच्छा, मैं वही पूछने वाली थी कि आधे लोगों को तो लग रहा है कि वो ट्रैवल एजेंसी ChatGPT के थ्रू चला रहे हैं.
मैं यही clarify करना चाह रही हूँ. The ChatGPT does not have accurate real-time information according to laws. दूसरी बात, हम पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं, वो ChatGPT हमें तो जानता ही नहीं है.
That's true.
सबसे पहली बात. Secondly and thirdly, what I would say is, I always tell my clients, please do your research. I would love to know where you're coming from, so that I am able to construct you.
Meet you halfway.
You
know, I remember when I went for my honeymoon back in the day. At that time, we used to have a lady who used to be at Park Towers, and she had her own office. You know, Malaika used to love to go and sit with her, have a cup of tea with her, talk to her, plan my vacation with her.
That's our culture.
चीजें नहीं होती.
नहीं है, super travel है ये culture.
Sorry, yes,
हम सिर्फ चाय नहीं, हम समोसा और lemon tart भी खिलाते हैं.
क्या बात है? Okay, I'm coming. I'm definitely coming.
Anytime.
China.
Okay. So I just want to clear a little bit of a misconception when it comes to China, that people say China नहीं जा सकते या सिर्फ business पे जा सकते हैं.
ठीक है.
अब yes, business visa पे जा सकते हैं.
Okay.
However, there is a bit of a loophole where it says that if you have more than 5 passengers to travel with, a group of 5, we as Super Travels can arrange this invitation for you from China to send you. So it's not impossible. 4 और लोग को जाना है, मैं जाने के लिए तैयार हूँ. So let's all go to China.
That's amazing. Easy. I really want to go to China myself.
Everything's so cheap.
How much is the ticket?
1.5 lakh, 1.5.
Okay, that's not that bad.
No, जितनी सऊदी की होगी 2.5.
Turkey's 2.5.
टर्की महंगा होते जा रहा है और होते जाएगा यूएस की वजह से, वॉर की वजह से.
ये countries अभी भी कम है, Malaika. I went to Japan and that ticket was about almost 4 lakh rupees.
I don't even talk about those because if I talk about that, no one's going to watch your
episode.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah. तो फिर मतलब आप वहाँ पे जाके क्या खाओ?
अमेरिका की टिकट 6 लाख रुपए की हो गई है.
अभी in the morning I said
टिकट 3 लाख रुपए की हो गई है.
Thailand 3 lakh is too much. अभी festivals भी तो हो रहे. Even in Thailand they're having the.
I'm also going.
Oh my God! Yes, we discussed this on Instagram. Tomorrowland. Okay, good. I love that. For inshallah. अच्छा, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा सवाल आ रहे हैं for Dubai as well. Can you say something to appease our audience?
Yes, I actually have been practicing the mirror while brushing my teeth.
I love that
because lots of people ask.
Yeah.
मैं उर्दू में कोशिश कर रही हूँ because मैं जानती हूँ कि बहुत सारे लोग इस मुल्क में बहुत घबराए हुए हैं because उनके माँ बाप, उनके बच्चे, उनकी फैमिलीज, उनकी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ें दुबई में फंसी हुई हैं. इस साल हमने एक वॉर देखा है, देख रहे हैं, हो रहा है, and it's actually genuinely a very very sad state of affairs when it comes to Dubai. I would say आप दुबई को भूलें और सऊदी चले जाएं अभी.
Wow,
that's where you should be.
So subtle.
But दुबई में I'm so sorry to say, लेकिन पाकिस्तानियों की इज्जत बहुत कम है.
बहुत कम है.
हमारे लोगों को निकाला जा रहा है, whether they're on student visas, whether they're on work visas. according to what their name sounds like, and that's quite upsetting.
It is.
Coming from a place where you're supposed to be metropolitan,
You're not really.
cosmopolitan, and whatever.
Yeah.
You're
Not
the
really.
sides you're taking is subtle yet evident.
Yes.